Ever feel like your bank account is stuck in the Stone Age? Ever felt like your bank account is stuck in the 1990s, with endless paperwork and hidden fees lurking around every corner? As a business owner, your time is valuable, and the last thing you want to deal with is a bank that slows you down. That's where Tide comes in, an app-based business banking solution promising a streamlined and modern experience. But with all the new fintech options popping up, a crucial question remains: is Tide worth it? And more importantly, how much does it cost? In this video, we'll dive deep into Tide's pricing structure, explore the different account options, and see if it can truly be the financial workhorse your business needs. The traditional banking struggle. Let's face it, traditional banks haven't exactly embraced the digital age with open arms. We've all been there, endless hold times, navigating a maze of confusing fees, and limited online features. These banks often cater to a one-size-fits-all model, leaving entrepreneurs feeling like their specific needs aren't being met. This lack of flexibility and innovation can be a significant hurdle for growing businesses. Time spent dealing with banking headaches is time taken away from focusing on what truly matters: growing your venture. Enter Tide, a modern take on business banking. Tide aims to bridge this gap by providing a mobile-first banking experience designed specifically for today's entrepreneur. Say goodbye to physical branches and hello to a user-friendly app that allows you to manage your finances on the go, anytime, anywhere. But with all the bells and whistles of a modern platform, you might be wondering, is there a catch? Transparency in pricing, breaking down Tide's account options. The good news is, Tide offers a transparent pricing structure with 3 distinct account tiers, each catering to different business needs. Let's unpack each option to see which one might be the perfect fit for you. Free Solo Account, perfect for freelancers and solopreneurs just starting out. The free solo account offers the essentials for managing your business finances. You'll get a business checking account, a debit card for making purchases, and the ability to send and receive ACH payments. This is a fantastic option to dip your toes into Tide services without any upfront costs. Essentials Account, monthly fee stepping up a notch. The Essentials Account is ideal for growing businesses with a bit more complexity. For a monthly fee, which we'll discuss in a moment, you'll receive all the features of the free solo account, plus some valuable extras. This includes the ability to create and send invoices directly through the app, streamline bill payments, and integrate with popular accounting software like QuickBooks. Premium Account, monthly fee for established businesses with higher transaction volume. The Premium Account offers a robust suite of features. This top-tier option includes everything from the Essentials Account, with additional perks like earning cashback rewards on debit card purchases and enjoying expedited ACH transfers. So, how much does it actually cost? Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the pricing breakdown. Here's a quick rundown. Free Solo Account, as the name suggests, this account is completely free. There are no monthly fees or hidden charges, making it a great option for those just starting out. Essentials Account, the Essentials Account comes with a monthly fee, but the exact cost can vary depending on your business needs. Tide offers a unique pricing model where you pay per feature you use within the account. This means you only pay for what you actually need, avoiding unnecessary fees for functionalities you don't utilize. Premium Account, similar to the Essentials Account, the Premium tier also has a variable monthly fee based on the features you choose to activate. The cost will likely be higher than the Essentials Account due to the additional perks like cashback rewards. Finding the perfect Tide account for your business. The beauty of Tide's pricing structure lies in its flexibility. You're not locked into a rigid plan with unnecessary features. Instead, you can choose the account and features that best suit your specific business needs and budget. Here's a quick tip: before signing up, take some time to analyze your current banking habits and identify the functionalities most crucial for your business. This will help you determine which Tide account offers the best value for your money. Beyond the price tag, what else does Tide offer? While cost is definitely an important factor, it's not the only thing to consider. Tide goes beyond just being a business bank account. Here are some additional perks that might sway your decision.